Women's Regular Fit Long Sleeve Stretch Work Shirts by Vando. Fabric kind 99.7% cotton and 3.0% spandex. Care guidelines: hand wash only. Type of closure: button neck design. Unbroken neck. Nation of origin: China. Material: our women's long sleeve dress shirts are constructed from premium 97% cotton, solid color, 3% spandex, 125 GSM, not too thin or thick, perfect for all 4 seasons, good softness, feels soft and comfortable. Feature: based on USA regular fit button-down shirt sizing, the style is modernized with contrast on the inner collar for a classy and modern sensation. Spread collar, turnover cuff. Please refer to the sizing chart information on the images. The button-up dress shirt is well constructed and detailed, with few hanging threads. It may be hand-washed or machine-washed in cold water and holds up well after washing. Avoid bleach and tumble dry if necessary. Low iron levels. Occasion: this stretch cotton top shirt is appropriate for both professional and casual settings, and is particularly useful for business meetings and office wear. It makes the ideal present for friends and family because it is simple to appreciate and simple to match. Please wash it before wearing it, and try to minimize the number of tags. Satisfaction guarantee with a refund, and don't worry about the size fitting. If you don't like the style, color, or fit, we can accept the return and exchange. You can choose from our range of men's shirts by clicking on our brand name. Women's button-down shirts can be found in the most unexpected places, and Editor-in-Chief Alex also liked the Eddie Bauer ripstop shirt very much. Although this business is well recognized for selling outdoor goods, what do you think of this shirt? It is so useful for everything. I can't get enough of this top, she exclaims, adding that you can wear it with denim shorts, as a cover-up while strolling down the beach, or tucked into your favorite pair of jeans while flying. Alex continues, this shirt features SPF 50 sun protection, moisture-wicking properties to prevent overheating, and the cut isn't too fitting or droopy, and there are no wrinkles. If I'm going hiking, I can throw it in my daypack or suitcase and it will still look good. Extremely simple to dress up or down. This Riders by Lee Easy Care blouse is available in a variety of stylish hues and looks fantastic worn both alone and under a thin jacket. This includes a classic collar, a button front, and 3/4 sleeves, making it ideal for both business travels and laid-back holidays. It is available in sizes S, 3XL and 1X, 4X. Readers of TFG adore this. If you want attractive with a loose fit, look to Riders, says one reader. You can store it. Another reader says, this is wonderful for travel, emphasizing the fact that you can put it in your bag and not have to worry about it wrinkling too much. Thank you
for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.